Looks like they tried to build another, well, it was a picnic table. I think it's been years since somebody's been back here. What? Just trying to find a good place to set up camp. Got the water down it. Just ran into a spider web.
Huh?
I just ran into a spider web. Somebody had a campfire.
Oh, I can't see.
That's what I said. I saw the campfire.
Can you help me pick this stuff up?
Show you guys. Got two nice sized bass, smallies. Gonna get those processed up. Yeah, we've been fishing for what do you say, an hour?
Yeah,
About an hour. I'll give you guys a little view of the camp. Little 2-man tent set up. Not really interested in doing any shelter building. We're just coming out here to relax. Got our fire going, getting these burnt down to some coals so I can cook these fish after I get them processed. We came in on the, I'm sure you guys have seen my review, it was the Sea Eagle 380X. Came in on that. It's fairly quick water. Does pretty good. Paddling upstream, it's not too hard. Glides pretty smoothly through the water. You can see the fish over there just jump. You can see water's fairly fast. It's fairly up too. Normally this wouldn't be running as fast. Probably midsummer it'll be down within ankle. The water will be down to ankle height. But yeah, we're just gonna keep doing some fishing. I'm gonna go find. I saw a plank over there. I'm gonna use to help me process these fish. Use it as a cutting board after I get it all washed off and everything. But yeah, as soon as I go get that, I'll get back with you guys. What I'm doing now is there's a wooden plank up here possibly used for a cutting board to process these fish. See if I can't get over and get it. I'll give you guys what I'm seeing. As you can see, when it floods, this is where all the debris comes. I mean, you know, it's a shame. Wherever you go, you're always going to find trash. Every now and then when I come over here, I tend to try to take a piece or two, whatever I can fit in my backpack. Just, you know, doing my part. But the plank that I saw was up here. Believe. Oh, there's that one. And maybe not. Maybe we'll find another one. There's another one up here. Nice little. Check these big shells out. Normally I don't find them too big. I mean, there's a couple over here. Pretty cool. Here's the plank. Looks like maybe a deck board. Let's see if we can't get over it. Alright guys, I'm going to switch you off and I'll get back with you when I get back to camp. Alright guys, I saved you the process of dispatch and cleaning the fish, but as you can see they're on the grill. Looking pretty good, I say so myself. I got some water boiling, I'm going to add some rice to that. Well, it's not boiling yet, but it's got to bring it up to a boil. So yeah, as soon as we get this done, we'll show you guys the finished product. Get back at you in a second. Fish is almost done. Give you guys a close up. These are 2 smallmouth bass that we'd caught right over there. Caught a couple fish. Caught some catfish, a couple channel cats. Nothing real big though. Several smallmouth. These 2 were the biggest that we caught. They were pretty decent size. My girlfriend, she was walking along the bank over there and she noticed a huge snapping turtle. I guarantee it was 12 inches by 12 inches. Pretty big. Got my water boiling up for some rice. As soon as this gets done, I'll get back at you. Rice and smallmouth bass. Nice and easy to cook on the fire. I'm going to let that one go for a couple more minutes. It's kind of bigger than this one. I know this one's ready. So we're going to go ahead and dig in. We've done, ate our dinner. Now we're just hanging out by the campfire. It's getting to be dark. So we're just going to spend the rest of the evening hanging out and just chilling. So, thanks for coming along, joining us, and we'll get a couple shots tomorrow morning leaving when we go out. The river that we're on, just a little insight. The river that we're on is the Shenandoah River. We are, like I said, we're in a little town called Millville, and I grew up in this town actually. Population's like 20, but we're right down from a powerhouse that provides electricity for this town. I think maybe parts of Charlestown, West Virginia, maybe Harpers Ferry, I'm not real sure. But yeah, we'll catch you guys in the morning. Happy Memorial Day to all. Good morning, guys. It's about 9 a.m. We're getting our camp packed up. We're gonna put the boat in. We're gonna head downstream to go home. Pretty nice last night. It wasn't too cold, wasn't too hot. It was really comfortable. I think we're gonna bring our boat over here and put it in. Not in this area, but over there. Just want to give you guys a shot. It's beautiful out here. Over there you have the other half of the river. There's these like 3 islands that sit right here. We camped on the 3rd one, which is the biggest. That one over there, it's fairly small. I mean, we probably could camp on if we wanted to. But we'll save that for another trip. But yeah, so we're going to get packed up and head on out. We'll get back with you guys.